Hi everyone, welcome to The Heated Skillet. I'm Justin. Today we're going to be making you butterfly shrimp with these little babies right here. I'm going to show you how to shell them. I'm going to show you how to put the tempura on them and get that nice crispy flake that you're looking for. You just can't throw tempura on a shrimp and throw it in the grease. It don't work like that. I'm going to show you the process of doing that. So if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this shrimp. Make sure to tap that little notification bell also. Don't want to forget that. See, I almost forgot it. You don't want to forget that, because what that does, when I put out new videos, you get notified and you are able to see my newest recipe, like this butterfly shrimp I'm going to be cooking today. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to cook this butterfly shrimp deep fried version. Perfect every time. This is how you peel a shrimp. These have already had the vein removed. All you're going to do is peel back the shell like this right here. See how I got my fingers in there like this? And you're going to work your way down like this. And this is not cut right there. Just give it a little bit of a pinch like that so it loosens that up. Then you're going to pinch right here. And all you're doing is pressing downward. And you're going to pull that off. It pulls the legs and everything off at one time. All right? I'll show you one more. And we'll do this one in real time. So you just do that. Boom. That's how easy it is to peel shrimp. I'm going to peel these up, then we're going to slice them into a butterfly, and I'm going to show you exactly how to put the tempura flakes on and what you need to do that. Finished. Super fast. That doesn't take me more than probably a minute to de-shell every one of these. Now I'm going to teach you how to butterfly shrimp. This is not butterfly just yet. They've cut the vein out of it, but you're going to want to bring your knife, and I'm trying to do this in an angle. So let's do it like that. See how I cut down? You don't want to cut past this tail. So you just want to give a little cut down through that and just spread it out. Right there's butterfly shrimp. I'm going to do another one for you, and then we're going to do them all at one time. You don't cut all the way down. Right there you go. That's how you do it. Boom. So that was very simple. Took probably 45 seconds to 1 minute to do 1 pound of shrimp. These shrimp, I should mention, are 13 to 15 shrimps per pound. So you'll see on the bag, or when you're getting it from your local market, you'll ask your seafood department to give you the 13 by 15 shrimp. So they'll know that it means 13 to 15 shrimp per pound. So they're going to give you a decent size. You can see that's a decent size shrimp. And it makes it so much easier to cut up because you're not dealing with that little bitty shrimp. You don't want the like 40 for a pound. Try to get this size if you can. Now that we have our assembly line put together, before we start anything here, we want to make sure we're preheating our oil to 350 degrees. You want to start by adding the salt and pepper. That's all you're going to put in this. 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of pepper. This is 1/2 a cup of all-purpose flour. And then you're just going to whisk it in. That should be good. Now we want to froth up our eggs a little bit. And I forgot to mention, we have 3 eggs. Now that we have those all mixed up, we want to move on to the panko breadcrumbs, or called tempura flakes, whatever you want to call them. You're going to need 4 ounces of this, or 1 full cup of the panko. And you're going to need a plate, because you're going to go from here to here to here to here. So I can take this, pop it in here like this. This is my dry hand. And you can do it this way too. You don't have to do it one at a time. You can pop them over there. All right, now that we have all of our shrimp coated, I'll put the plate out of the way. Let me see if I can move this over, give you a little bit better of a view. We're gonna do these one at a time. And there I did it again. See how I'm right-handed, so I always grab with my right hand first. And then I'm forced to, let me just move this over here. Now I can use my left hand. I'm just gonna do every one of them just like that. And the reason I like grabbing a handful of the breadcrumbs or the panko or the tempura flakes is because I can put it right on top when it goes in there and kind of keeps my hand a little bit cleaner. It's just a tip. So you'll see what I do here. So if I grab me a handful of this while I'm doing this, when I put it in there, it's laying on the bed, and then I cover the top and it keeps my hand cleaner. Our last one. You see, we didn't have much waste, so you might be able to go a little bit less on that. I always just put a half. You probably put 2 eggs, get by with it. I call for 3 because you just want to make sure that you always have enough. The worst thing you can ever do is to start the process and then not have enough. So I did a half cup, 3 eggs, and a full cup of tempura flakes. This process doesn't take long. See that one? Right there's already turned brown. We want to take that baby out of there. It's cooked. That one? Cooked. Look at that baby. They're all ready to come out. It's super fast. Probably a minute. Doesn't take long to cook shrimp. Now that we have the shrimp fried up, let me see if we can take a nice little taste of this. I'm not sure if you can hear the crunch, but my goodness, that is absolutely fantastic. That is very good. Trust me, you're gonna love this. And it's super easy to make. You've seen that it doesn't take long. Once you put it in the fryer, 2 minutes makes this. I mean, it's super fast. And I got a little side dish going on here with these fries. Do they look familiar in the size? Look at the size of the cut. I don't know if you can see it from there, but these are very popular fries, and I'm trying to recreate those famous Golden Arch fries. I won't name the company, but it's Golden Arch. That'll give you a hint. I know you're gonna love them. And when I nail it, I wanna share that with you all. And I won't share it with you until I nail it. So when you get that video, you're gonna know it's exactly like, almost said it, like the Golden Arch fries. All right, I'm out.
Oh, yummo.